Hello, this is Tamara Evans, Digital Services Librarian at the Kings County Library. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Beanstack account to participate in the Kings County Library Spring Into Reading Online Reading Challenge. To begin, you want to go to the library's website, which is located at kingscountylibrary.org. From here, you're going to click through our web sliders until you see the slider that says Spring Into Reading, and then we'll click on the website slider. As you can see, this web page shows information about our current online Spring Into Reading Challenge, which is available through the library's Beanstack website, which is located at kingscountylibrary.beanstack.org. So, we're going to click on that, which will open up in a separate tab like so. So now we're at the library's Beanstack webpage. As you can see, we have our header right here, and if you've already used one of our reading challenges before, probably through last year's summer reading program or our winter open house reading challenge, as well as one of our other previous reading challenges, you can click right here where it says sign in. However, if this is your first time accessing the Beanstack website, you're going to scroll down until you see the options here where you can either register as an individual or a family, or register as a class or a group. So I'm going to say that I'm registering for myself, so I'm going to click here where it says register an individual or family, and then like I said before, it will ask you, have you participated in one of our previous reading challenges? So if you participated in last year's virtual summer reading program, or our virtual reading challenge for winter, or any of the other reading challenges, you would want to press the yes button. However, we're going to say for this tutorial that this is my first time accessing the website, so I'm going to press the no button like so. And if you have any questions, you can always call the library and we'll be glad to assist you with locating your Beanstack login information. So, as you can see here, now it gives you options. Who would you like to register? Would you like to register yourself, or are you an adult registering a child? So, I'm going to say that I am an adult registering a child. And so, as you can see from here, first thing you're going to put in is adult information. So I'm going to do it like so. So I'll just say, call myself Jane Reader. Okay, then make a password. And it has to be at least 2 characters. And I'll scroll down the page. And then here you're going to select your primary library branch. So as you can see, it shows all of the library branches that exist within the Kings County Library system. So I'm going to click for Hanford. And then this is where you would type in your child information. So we'll say Jane has a son named John, and we'll say that John is 6. Although as you can see, you can also pick a variety of ages as well as half ages. So if your child is 5.5, you can of course click on that option. Then as you can see here, you do have an option to select, would you like to receive a book recommendation for your child each week? And if you do select that, then you could just check the box right here to get weekly recommendations. So after that information has been inputted in, I'm going to click the next button. And so now as you can see quickly on the bottom right, it said that the account had been created successfully. So now as you can see, it presents all the different reading challenges that are available through the Kings County Library right now, as well as end dates. So as you can see, we have the Spring Into Reading Challenge, which started on March 22nd and ends April 26th. And then we also have a virtual field trip challenge, which started on November 4th of last year and ends on November 30th of this year. So what I'm going to do is select the Spring Into Reading Challenge, press register, Then as you can see here, it brings up a box for the grade level. So we're going to say, since he's 6, we'll say, we'll put him in kindergarten. And then we will click the button to join challenge. And so now as you can see, since he's now joined a challenge, he's unlocked his first digital badge for completing the challenge. And then if you actually, you can also sign up for both the challenges if you like, or you can always just do the one challenge. So now that he's been signed up for a challenge, I'm going to click here where it says next. And then it gives an option if I want to register another child, in which case I'm going to click no. Then I can decide whether or not I want to register myself, and in this case I will say yes, I want to register myself. And then as you can see here, I can select my age, so I will say that I am 41. And then it also gives me the option to decide if I would like to receive book recommendations. So if I want to do that, I could check the box in front of the yes option here. I'm not going to do that, so I'll just press next. And then as you can see, I have the notice saying that I've signed up for the challenge. And also, my account's been created rather. And then as you can see, since I register as an adult, I have more challenges available to me than my son. So as you can see here, there's the 10 to Try challenge, Spring to Reading challenge, and then the virtual field trips. So like with John, I'm going to click the register button for the Spring to Reading challenge. And then I've registered, shows I registered here, and then I've unlocked the badge for signing up for the challenge. So be aware that with the current Spring to Reading challenge, there will be a total of 12 digital badges you can earn. You earn a digital badge when you sign up for the challenge, and as you read more time, the more hours you read, the more badges you earn, for a total of 12 badges, and you will receive a completion badge once you've reached your reading goal. So now I'm going to scroll down and click next. And then it's going to ask me, do I want to register another adult? So I'm going to press no. So now, as you can see, when I'm logged into my account, it gives me an option to add a book review if I want, or post a review picture. And I can also change who I'm logged in for. So right now, this is showing John Reader's account. However, and scroll down, so it shows the challenges that John is currently in. However, if I wanted to focus on what Jane is doing for her part in the challenge, I could just click here where it has John's name and then move from John to Jane. And so as you can see, it now shows the challenge that Jane is participating in. And then if I want to log out of both the accounts, I would click this little gear in the top right, click on that, and it gives me the option to either edit the account or sign out. So at this point, I'm going to sign out of the Beanstack account. This concludes the tutorial on how to create an account in Beanstack to participate in the library's online reading challenges. If you would like to see more tutorials similar to this one, make sure to follow the Kings County Library Facebook page, as well as subscribe to the Kings County Library YouTube channel for more tutorials similar to this one. Thank you and have a good day.